Hello, Duan.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, you're so early today. Why? Okay, good evening, darling. Darling. All right, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay. How about can you see me well?
Yes.
All right. How's your day?
It's good.
Yes, how are you today?
I'm good.
Are you happy, sad, or
I'm
what?
happy.
Oh, you're happy. Why? What
Um,
makes you happy today?
um, with my hamster.
Oh, okay. So have you eaten your dinner tonight?
Yes.
Oh, what food do you eat tonight?
Rice and
Rice and and
meat.
wow, it's yummy. Teacher ate rice and chicken. Yeah, I'm so very full tonight. All right. Okay. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Oh, I can see. I can see that you're happy today because you are so blooming today. All right. Okay. For a minute, Tuan. All right. Oh, it's already time. So let's start our class. Let's start our class.
Yes.
Are you ready, Tuan?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So our lesson tonight it's about continuation, right? We need to continue our lesson tonight. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we sing first? What is your favorite song? What is your favorite song?
I don't know.
In your school, what is your favorite song?
I don't know.
I didn't know. Alright, okay. So let's proceed. Oh, I just want to tell you, Duan. The last meeting, my video was corrupt. I cannot find my files here in my laptop, so it's very, it feels me so sad. Yeah, but it's okay. Okay. Okay, shall we proceed? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Very good. Oh, cat, right? Cat. Oh my God. Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay. Okay, Duan, hello.
Yes.
All right. Okay. All right. Our lesson for today, it's all about, again, a Unit 2 Future Technology, Lesson 20, Practice Reading and Writing Part 2. All right. So let's proceed. Okay. We already answered this one, right? Right? Hello,
Yes.
Duan. Yeah, very good. Okay, so in the first text, we are reading about you're reading about they the life of Annabelle. Annabelle. Hello? Hello, Duan.
Yes.
Okay, we read a text about the life of Annabelle.
Bloom.
Okay, and she also took a subject which are the biology. Can you say it again? Biology.
Biology.
Okay. How about this one? It's
Geography.
okay
Is
again. One more time.
geography.
Okay. How about the last one? We have
History.
history. Okay. What do you mean by biology? In your own perspective, what is biology?
Is talk
Biology. Again,
is talk is
again.
talk about life.
Yes, it talks about life. When we said geography, what do you mean by that? It talks about,
Is talk about Earth.
yes, it talks about Earth. How about history?
Talk
It
about
talks about,
the past.
yes, it talks about the past. All right. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this one. Okay, can you please read the last one here? We are now in. Oh, what's that? Okay, drink water first. Okay, drink water. You have a cough. Okay, do you want to drink water now?
No.
Did you prepare water? Did you prepare water? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's move on to reading and writing part 2, practice 2. Alright, we have the part 2. Okay, so now please read the task 1 here. Duan? Okay,
Task,
task 1. Alright,
task complete. Will add space about plane travel. The
yes,
first letter of each word is given to help you.
okay, can you please repeat this one? Advice.
Advice.
Again, one more time. Ad.
Ad-
Advice.
Advice.
Okay, so if you are going to travel to a different country, you need to have a what? What is your answer for number one? Okay, what is your answer for number one?
Backpack.
Again?
Backpack.
Okay, right. Write your answer. Okay, write your answer. Okay, pack back. All right, number two. Okay, read. Oh, what's that? Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
All right. So, please read this one. When
When you're packing, try not to put too much in your
in your Okay, what is your answer for number two? All right, what is your answer for number two?
I
Oh,
don't know.
when you are packing, try not to put too much in your start from the latter start from the letter
L.
L. Okay. When you are packing, try not to put too much in your L. Okay, when you lug. Okay, do you have answer for number two?
No.
Do you have?
No.
Okay, write your answer. Okay, what is your answer for number two?
I don't know.
Okay, can you write your answer?
I don't know the answer.
Oh, you don't know the answer. Okay, number three. Okay, answer A. Okay. A. Okay, read. A.
uh, Airport.
A blank a few hours before your flight so that you want. Okay, what is your answer for number three? What is your answer? Okay. All right. Okay, number four. Okay. Eat and so that you get a good. What is this? Starts from the letter M. What is your answer for number four? Okay, if you want to drink water, You must drink water, okay? Okay, Duan. Okay, number four. What is your answer for number four? Okay, how about number four? What is your answer? It and so that you get a good. Is your answer for number four? Start from the letter M. Start from the letter M.
I don't
Okay,
know.
do you have answer for number four or no?
No.
Okay, number five. Let's proceed to number five. And so that you get a good blank on the plane. Take something to read. Okay, what is your answer for number five here? Hello, Duan. What is your answer for number five?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know again? Alright, how about number six? Okay, this one. Okay, eyes on the screen, please. Listen to teacher. Okay, number six. If the flight is late or if the weather is bad, okay, what you are going to do? What is your answer for number six? If the flight is late or if the weather is bad. Take something to read as there may be a blank if the flight is late or if the weather is bad. Okay, do you have answer for number six?
No.
Okay, no, again. How about number seven? And remember, okay, during the flight, be polite to other blank and remember to listen to the instructions which the blank and the other airline staff give you. Okay, what is your answer for number seven? Okay, during the flight, be polite to other. What is your answer? Okay, are you still have the answer for number seven?
No.
Again, no, again. How about number eight? Do you have answer for number eight?
No.
No, again. All right. So let's check your answer, okay? And then look at the blank that you cannot answer, okay? Look at the blank that you doesn't answer and then remember that one, okay?
No.
All right. Okay, number one. Okay, number one, you answer here is backpack. All right, this is passport. So if you are going to travel to a different country, you need to have a you need to have a do and
Pass.
please yes, you need to have a passport because if you don't have passport, you cannot travel to another.
country.
Yes, so you need to what? You need to have a passport. Like for example, you are now in the Vietnam. If you want to visit in the Philippines, so you need to what? You need to have your passport first so that you can visit our country, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. When you are packing, try not to put too much in your la okay luggage. All right. So if you are packing, if you are preparing your things, try not to put too much in your in your
Luggage.
yes, very good. In your luggage. Okay. If you want to travel from the other country, you are going not to what? Not to put not to put what?
Too much in your luggage.
Try not to put too much in your luggage. Okay. Number three, try to get to the. Your answer here is airport a few hours before your flight. Okay. Your answer here is correct. Yes, of course, airport. Okay, so if you have if you have flight uh for example here you are going to you want to visit our country, so you need to what? You need to early to come to airport but so that hello Duan.
Yes.
Okay. You you need to come to the airport early so that hello.
Yes.
Okay, like for example, your flight is at 7 a.m. in the morning. So you need to come early in the airport at what? At 5 p.m. Okay? You need to come early, okay? Okay, Duan?
Okay.
Yes, very good. All right. I think Duan, you are not feeling well today because cough and you have cough and are you not feeling well today?
No.
All right. So I see that you are not feeling well today. Okay, number 4. Okay, so that you want it and so that you get a good. Okay, the answer for number 4 is okay, so that you won't miss it and so that you get a good seat on the plane. All right, so you need to come early in the airport so that you won't miss it and so that you get a good seat on the hello Duan on the
Plane.
yes plane. All right, okay, take something to read as there may be a this is your answer for number 6. It's delay. Okay, take something to read as there may be a delay if the flight is late or if the weather is bad. So, in order for you not to bored, if the flight is late or if the weather is bad, you have to bring a book that you are going to you are going to
Read.
yes, very good. Okay, so number 7. Okay, during the flight, be polite to other pa passenger, right? Yes, this is passenger. During the flight, be polite to other passenger. And remember, okay, this is passengers. Okay. And remember to listen to the instruction which the pilot and other airline staff gave you. Okay. This is what you are going to do if you plan to travel different country. Okay. First, you are going to have your passport, right?
Passport. Yes.
Okay, next is do not put too much in your
Luggage.
luggage and then to the come early to the
Airport.
yes, of course, so that you won't
Miss.
okay miss it and so that you get a good
Seat.
yes, okay, sit on
Plane.
yes, okay, take something to okay, bring some books to read if the flight is late or if the weather is bad. Okay, so take something to read as there may be a delay if the flight is late or if the weather is bad. Okay, during the flight, you are going to be polite to your fellow passengers, right? Hello, Duan.
Yes.
Okay, you need to be polite to other passenger and remember to listen to the instructions which the
Pilot.
yes and the other airline staff gave you. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now you already know how to prepare when you are going to different countries, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready to jump in the other page? Are you
Ye-
ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, this one. So we have here the another what? The another I text to read in different paragraph, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please read here the exam task? Okay.
Exam task for
Again,
each
exam task.
exam task for each question. Choose the correct answer.
Okay, please read it again. Questions.
Question.
Again, question.
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 Okay, so, but before that, you are going to read first the paragraph here, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so, what is the title that you are going to read now? What is the title that you are going to read now. It's all about. Okay.
My last holiday.
Okay, can you say it again? It's all about.
My last holiday.
Okay, can you say it's all about? It's all about. Can you say it again? It's all about.
Is all about my last holiday.
Yeah. Yes, very good, you and okay. So now you are going to read first the life of Max. Are you ready to read?
Yes,
Okay, read. I want you to read
I went
loud and clear.
I went on holiday with my friends. The flight was fine, but it took 2 hours by bus
Okay,
to get to the hotel.
okay,
I, di- I didn't enjoy that. The hotel was noisy and the staff weren't friendly.
okay,
But it didn't matter because we spent all our time on the beach. A short walk away, we tried lots
okay. We
of new
tried.
dishes.
Okay, we tried lots of new. Okay, we.
We tried lots of new dishes in the
Yes,
restaurants in
and
the
it.
town.
Yeah, it
It
was.
was hard to sleep with such high temperatures,
Yes, very good.
but we had a fantastic time, and
Okay,
the best thing was we spent almost nothing once we arrived.
arrive. Okay, here. Okay, I went on holiday with my Max and Max with her
Friend,
Max with his friend. Okay, Max is what? Boy or girl?
boy,
It's yes, a boy. Okay, Max with his friends. Okay, they went on holiday with his friends, right? Okay,
yes,
the flight was fine, but it took 2 hours by bus to get to the hotel. I didn't enjoy that. The hotel was noisy and the staff weren't okay. The staff,
friendly. The
okay, the
staff were
staff
friendly.
are not friendly. But it didn't matter because we spent all our time on the
Beach.
beach. Okay. A short walk away, we tried lots of new dishes in the restaurants in the town. It was hard to sleep with such high temperatures, but we had a fantastic time. And the best thing was we spent, okay, read this one. We spent
We spent almost nothing once we arrived.
arrive. Okay, how about Felipe? Okay, read. Philip. Okay, read.
The drive to
Okay,
our
read
hotel,
this name first.
Philip,
Okay,
the
Felipe.
uh, Felipe,
Okay, Felipe.
Felipe.
Okay, very good. Continue. The
The,
drive.
the drive to our hotel from the airport was along lovely country roads. The hotel my wife and I stayed It was quite expensive. The
Expensive again.
expensive.
Very good.
The people who work
Who worked?
who worked
Okay, read it like this. Work.
worked
Again, work.
worked.
Okay. There were.
They were wonderful, but so
I
sure
wasn't.
I wasn't so sure about the hotel restaurant.
Very good.
The
The
desert
okay, the
were
deserts.
fine, but
The deserts again
the deserts
were fine,
were fine, but
but
the main courses were
weren't
very
a.
good.
Yes, it was.
It, it was cloudy and rainy most days, but it didn't matter at all because we went to walk in the countryside, not to
Not
lie
to
on the
lie
beach.
on a beach. Okay. Felipe, the drive to our hotel from the airport was along lovely country routes. The hotel my wife and I stayed in was quiet, expensive. Okay. The hotel, the hotel is quiet, expensive. Right? Okay,
Yes,
the people who worked there were wonderful. Okay, the staff or the people who worked there was wonderful. Not okay, not about Max that he he encountered stuff that is not friendly, right?
yes,
Okay, but here in Felipe, she what? He met a wonderful staff, right?
yes,
But I wasn't so sure about the hotel restaurant. Okay, the dessert were fine, but the main courses weren't very good. Okay, so the dessert were fine, but the main courses weren't very good. I think the food there is not too good, right? Only the desserts, right?
yes.
Okay. It was cloudy and rainy most days, but it didn't matter at all because we went to walk in the
Countryside,
not to the not to
lie
the
on a beach.
beach. Oh, yes, very good. How about in Nickel? Can you please read this one?
Nickel, my family and I drove across the USA last year. We stayed in lots of different hotels. I don't
Okay.
know how much we spent because my parents said there was a lot of driving, but my dad enjoyed that. The weather was fantastic, and I couldn't believe the differences in what people ate from place to place. It was good to be with the family because there was always someone to talk to or to do things with.
Okay, can you please repeat this one? Weather was fantastic. Again,
Weather
weather was fantastic. Again,
weather
weather
was
was fantastic. Again, fantastic.
fantastic.
Very good. This is driving. Again,
driving.
Okay, so Nickel here, my family and I drove across the where? In the
Year
you when?
in the US
Last
last year.
yes, so we stayed in lots of different hotels. Okay, so the family of Nickel, they were stay a lots of different hotels in USA, right? United, United. Okay. So I don't know how much we spent because my parents paid. There was a lot of driving, but my dad enjoyed that. Okay. Are you listening to me, Duan?
Yes.
Okay, listen to teacher first. The weather was fantastic, and I couldn't believe the differences and what people ate from place to place. Okay, it was good to be with the family because there was always someone to talk to or to do things with. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now you are going to answer this multiple choice here. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, number one, can you please read for number one here?
Who was surprised about the variety of food on holiday?
Okay, who was surprised about the variety of food on holiday? Is it Max, Felipe, or Nickel?
Nika.
Okay, circle your answer in circle. Okay. All right. How about number two? Okay. Who thought? Okay,
Who
read.
thought, who thought that part of the journey was too long?
Okay, is it Max, Felipe, or Nickel? Is your answer for number two? Okay, what is your answer for number two? Okay. How about number three? Who?
Who liked traveling with a group of people?
Okay. Who like traveling with a group of people? Is it? Okay, Nicole. Okay. All right. Number one. Your answer here is letter C. Okay. Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. Okay, clap your hands, Duan. Yay, you get the correct score. You get the correct answer. Okay. Who was surprised about the variety of food on holiday? It's it's Nickel,
Nika.
right? Okay. Number two. Okay, your answer is correct. Again, okay, who thought that part of their journey was too long? It's Max. Why? Because they 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 talk 2 hours by bus to get to the hotel, right? Right, Duan?
Yes.
Okay, they took 2 hours by traveling into the hotel, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about number 3? Okay, who'd like traveling with a group of people? It's
Nickel.
yes. Why is it Nickel? Because
Um,
why? Because they have what?
um,
They
because
Nickel
it,
and his family. Nickel and his family are what? Are going
um,
to the USA for their what? Vacation, right?
yes.
Right? Yes, very good. Clap your hands to on. All right, you get 3/3, but I think it's almost time. Okay, but before we leave in this classroom, let's have the review first. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so today we talk
Favorite
about
poetry.
okay, how to what? How to okay. We talk about how to prepare when we are going to different country, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, we we are learning today about how to prepared how to prepared how to prepare things okay how to prepare things when when we are going to different countries, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, can you please read it again? Okay, we are
We are learning today about how to prepare things when we are going to different countries.
yes, very good. Okay, the first one to prepared is what? Is okay, is passport, right?
Yeah.
Okay, passport, and then okay, don't okay,
Mm,
try not too much to put inside the okay, try not to put some things inside the luggage again. Okay, read this one. Okay, try.
I know to put some things inside the luggage.
Okay, and then what else? You are going to come early to the.
Airport.
Yes, you need to come early to the airport. All right. And then what
Mm,
else? You have to be polite to the other passenger, right?
yes,
Right? You have
yes,
to be polite to the other passengers and you need to listen the instructions of the pi pi pilot. Okay, so you need to remember this one if you are going to what? If you are going to go to,
different
okay,
country.
if you are planning to go to the other countries, okay, and then your mispronounced words here is, okay, can you please repeat this one? Mispronounce, okay, mispronounce words. Okay, we have, okay, number one is luggage again. Okay, luggage.
Luggage.
Okay, how about um okay, how about this one? Okay, can you read this one again? Okay, this one. Name of the person. It's
Philippines.
Felipe.
Felipe.
Again?
Felipe.
Yes, very good. How about this one? Okay, temperatures. Again, temperatures.
Temperatures.
Okay, how about this one? How you are going to read this one? Wasn't.
Wasn't.
Okay, so that's all for today. Luan, okay, we will continue this one in our next meeting. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, and then don't forget of what we've discussed today. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, goodbye, Duan. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Okay, so that you can rest early. And then drink more water, okay?
Yes.
Yes. Bye-bye, Duan. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Drink more water.